How to turn on maintenance mode in Samsung phone. First of all, go to settings. Here, scroll down and click on device care. Here again, scroll down and click on this option, maintenance mode. Now here click turn on, and here you will have to click on restart, and the system, your phone will restart. And as it's written here, it normally takes about 2 minutes to create the log. So simply you click on restart. You simply have to enter your password here, then click on continue, and it will create log. Your phone will automatically now restart to maintenance mode. Okay, as you can see, after almost 1 to 2 minutes, it has rebooted and it's showing switching to maintenance mode, and your phone will open in maintenance mode, as you can see here. Okay,